Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to easily sign a PDF document right on your iPhone. No more printing, signing, scanning, and sending, we're going digital. Have you ever been stuck trying to sign a PDF on the go? Maybe you're traveling, or just away from your computer. Well, this video is for you. We'll cover a couple of simple methods to get that PDF signed and sent in minutes, all from your iPhone. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. We're going to explore two main ways to sign a PDF on your iPhone, using the built-in markup tool and using the Adobe Fill and Sign app. Both are incredibly user-friendly, so let's dive in. First, let's look at using the markup tool in iOS*. This method works directly within the Mail app, the Files app, or any app that allows you to preview a PDF. 1. Open the PDF* first. Find the PDF you need to sign. Let's say it's in your email. Open the email and tap on the PDF attachment to preview it. 2. Access markup*. Look for the markup icon. It usually looks like a pen icon in a circle, or a pencil tip. In the Mail app, it's at the bottom right. In the Files app, you might need to tap the share icon first, then scroll down and choose Markup. 3. Choose your tool * once in Markup. You'll see a toolbar at the bottom. Here you can choose different pens, highlighters, and an eraser. 4. Sign your name *. Tap the plus symbol icon in the bottom right corner. This will open a menu with options like text, signature, magnifier, and shapes.
Tape en signature.
5. Create your signature *. If you've signed a document before, your saved signature will appear. If not, you'll be prompted to create one. Use your finger or a stylus to sign your name in the box. If you mess up, just tap Clear and try again. Once you're happy with your signature, tap Done. 6. Position and resize *. Your signature will now appear on the PDF. You can drag it to the correct location and use the blue handles to resize it. 7. Save and share *. When you're finished, tap Done in the top left corner. You'll then have options to reply to the email with a signed PDF, save it to your Files app, or share it through other apps. Choose the option that suits your needs. Okay, now let's look at using the Adobe Fill and Sign app *. This is a free app from Adobe that's specifically designed for filling out and signing documents. 1. Download the app *. Head to the App Store and search for Adobe Fill and Sign. Download and install the app. 2. Open the PDF*. Open the Adobe Fill and Sign app. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. You'll be prompted to select the PDF you want to sign. You can choose from your Files app, your camera roll, or take a photo of a document. 3. Sign your name *. Tap the signature icon in the toolbar at the bottom. It looks like a pen nib. If you've used the app before, your saved signature will appear. If not, you'll be prompted to create one. 4. Create your signature *. Sign your name in the box. Again, use your finger or a stylus. Tap Done when you're happy. 5. Place your signature *. Tap anywhere on the PDF where you want to place your signature. A signature box will appear, and you can drag and resize it to fit the space. 6. Fill in fields, optional if the PDF has fillable fields. Tap on them to enter text. 7. Share your signed PDF*. Once you're finished, tap the share icon in the top right corner. You can then email the signed PDF, save it to your Files app, or share it through other apps. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to sign PDF documents on your iPhone. Whether you prefer using the built-in markup tool or the dedicated Adobe Fill and Sign app, you'll be signing documents on the go in no time. Which method do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. And that wraps up today's Rome Tech tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.